Welcome to Board.Vision Tutorials. In this video, you will learn how to activate your Board.Vision account. To activate your account, you will need your Temasek email address and password. Your phone registered with Board.Vision to receive a one-time password for verification. Once you have these ready, we are ready to proceed with account activation. To activate your account, open the Board.Vision app. Enter your Temasek email address and tap on Login. You will be redirected to Temasek's Microsoft Office 365 login screen. Enter your Temasek email password and click on Sign In. You may be prompted to enter an additional OTP, or use your Microsoft Authentication app, if 2FA is enabled on your Microsoft Office 365 account. Enter the OTP and click on Verify. Tap on the Agree and Continue button to accept the terms of use. Do note that these terms of use do not apply to Temasek users. Temasek have signed a separate terms of use that supersede this generic one. Enter the OTP that will be sent to your registered mobile phone number. This is a one-time verification from Board.Vision to ensure your mobile phone was registered correctly. In case you do not receive the OTP via SMS, you can use Authy, an authentication app that generates an OTP even without mobile data or Wi-Fi. To use the Authy app for OTP verification, you may pause this video and go to the video, Receiving OTP via the Authy app, linked in the description below. Now that your account is verified via OTP, let's add some additional security to your account by setting up a 4-digit PIN, to access Board.Vision to safeguard it from unauthorized access. This is an optional step and may be encountered only if it is required by your Board.Vision administrator. Next step is to save your e-signature into Board.Vision for use when you act on approvals. This is an optional step as well. To save your e-signature, sign within the white box, then tap on the Save button. Congratulations! Your Board.Vision account is now successfully activated. Now that you are logged in, the next time you open Board.Vision, you will be able to log in using Touch ID or Face ID. Next, let's go through some basic features to start using your Board.Vision app. Check out the video, Acting on an Approval and Viewing Approval Supporting Documents, video linked in the description below. If you face any issues in completing the steps shown in this video, please reach out to our customer experience team at support@board.vision, or +65 6909 7100, and we will be happy to help.